Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma easily. Figma is a fantastic, free, web-based design tool perfect for creating user interfaces and experiences. To begin, simply create a free account and open Figma in your browser. From your dashboard, click New Design File to start a fresh project. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace. You will find the main toolbar at the top and the Layers panel on the left side, making navigation straightforward. Now, let's dive into creating your first elements. The Frame tool is essential for defining your design's canvas, like a phone screen or a website section. You can easily draw basic shapes such as rectangles, circles, and lines using the Shape tools in the toolbar. Once a shape is selected, the right sidebar allows you to adjust its properties, including fill color, stroke thickness, and even corner radius for rounded edges. Remember to group related elements for better organization. Next, let's enhance your designs with text and images. To add text, select the Text tool, click on your canvas, and start typing. You can customize fonts, sizes, and colors using the Properties panel on the right. Importing images is simple. Just drag and drop them directly from your computer onto your Figma canvas. Easily resize and crop images to fit your layout. For more advanced organization, explore Auto Layout, which helps create flexible and responsive components. Figma truly shines with its collaboration and prototyping features. You can invite team members to your file for real-time editing and feedback, making teamwork seamless. To bring your designs to life, switch to the Prototype tab and connect frames to simulate user interactions, like clicking a button. This allows you to present interactive mock-ups and gather valuable feedback. Finally, export your design assets in various formats, such as PNG or SVG, for easy handoff to developers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.